Since June 14, 2018, when Steven Marioff and early Ethereum advisor noted that the date of the notorious speech shall live in infamy, no one has commented on him. However, is the SEC concealing more than the speech's motivations? In addition, the most up-to-date reserve evidence demonstrates that OKX owns 178 million XRP. Also, in the SEC case, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, has retained attorney Rohan Rookie, who has filed a notice of presence. Finally, XRP has been in a decline for some time now, but bears in the market are good news for those trying to make a killing. If you stay with me to the end, I'll tell you how many XRP you'd need to sell to make $1 million if XRP returns to its $1.80 or $3.40 highs. If this is something that interests you, I highly recommend watching this brand new video right now. Welcome to our channel, where we discuss recent developments in the world of XRP and other cryptocurrencies. We'd like to extend a warm welcome to everybody who is checking out one of our videos for the first time. Popular XRP community member Digital Acid B shared a document relating to a meeting at the SEC that allegedly birthed the controversial Hinman speech, and prominent cryptocurrency advisor and advocate Steven Marioff has made a shocking allegation about the speech. Hinman was the former director of SEC's Corporation Finance. The paper states that on March 28, 2018, the SEC's S-Corp Finance Department was set to meet with many prominent crypto stakeholders. The meeting was highlighted as Digital Acid's presentation that granted Ethereum a free pass. On June 14, 2018, Hinman made his iconic speech declaring Ethereum and Bitcoin not securities. Since the SEC versus Ripple litigation began, many have referred to this speech as the Ethereum free pass because of the controversy it has generated. Responding to Digital Acetic Acid according to a tweet nearly sent by B, both he and his speech will be remembered for all time. Almost immediately, an advisor with a hunch about what motivated Hinman's iconic remark pointed out that the essential purpose is being hidden. "You won't believe what else went down today to put an end to my testimony and hide their guilt," he promised. More than just the speech's true intentions, he claimed, are being concealed. It's worth noting that in 2019, the FBI charged hardly nobody with actual extortion. The charges, however, were withdrawn by the prosecution in May of 2023. Nearly all allege that the FBI pursued him because of his familiarity with Ethereum ICO, even though the investigation was dropped 4 months ago. He mentioned that the SEC and the Justice Department were also involved in the conspiracy. Meanwhile, his recent FOIA request sparked heated discussion about him and free speech in the crypto community. The new Freedom of Information Act request from Citadel focuses on the SEC's and the correct handling of crypto enforcement during Clinton's presidency in light of yesterday's announcement and power oversights. Following Clayton's departure from the SEC, the agency filed suit against Ripple related to another cryptocurrency, XRP, alleging that it was a security. This request stems from Clayton's statements regarding Bitcoin and other senior official statements on Ether implying that they were not securities subject to SEC enforcement jurisdiction. In addition, after leaving the SEC, Clayton joined One River Management, a Bitcoin and Ethereum-focused hedge fund, according to Empower Supervision. As can be expected, this caused some controversy, with some XRP supporters voicing concerns about possible SEC corruption. Pro-XRP attorney Bill Morgan commented on the new development, saying that the summary of Clayton's conflict of interest in the Power Oversight article was spot on. Furthermore, attorney John Deaton, who represents thousands of XRP investors in the Ripple litigation, mentioned that Clayton was the only SEC commissioner to view the text of Hinman's speech before it was delivered at Yahoo Finance's All Market Summit. Deaton claims that Hinman failed to provide SEC Commissioner Hester Pierce, aka Crypto Mom, with a copy of the industry's seminal speech. Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. Common cryptocurrency market. Alright, the September 2023 poll results from X have been released. According to the most recent accounting, the stock market had a surplus of to more than $11.2 billion in digital assets, a sum that includes XRP. The audit covers 22 of the most popular assets on the platform and is meant to ensure investors that OKX has a reserve greater than user deposits. Due to the widespread belief that the failure of the decentralized cryptocurrency exchange FUDX was caused by the theft of customer funds, centralized cryptocurrency exchanges now routinely engage in this behavior. The exchange's most recent audit demonstrates that user assets have exceeded a 100% collateralization ratio during the period for the 11th time in a row. According to the audit, the total value of assets held by OKX is $89 million, while the total value of XRP held by user wallets is $86.7 million. According to the most recent figures, OKX provided a 100-to-3 ratio of collateral for the XRP deposits of his consumers. While customers of OKX possess a total of 142,635 Bitcoin worth $3.73 billion, the exchange's collateralization ratio for Bitcoin and Ethereum holdings is 102% and 103%, respectively. There are currently 146,194 BTC worth $3.83 billion in Bitcoin held by the exchange and other parties. Ethereum Sake. The total Ethereum balance on the X exchange is $1,400,002.2 billion, and its customers have 1,370,900 Ethereum, or $2.17 billion. Well then, X has enough reserves for its stablecoin deposits, with collateralization of 103% and 109% for Tether USDT and USDC deposits. Meanwhile, recent data show that XRP is the fifth largest cryptocurrency by USD value, after Bitcoin, Ethereum, OKB, and Dogecoin, not counting stable currencies. User interest in XRP appears to be stable based on this assessment. Despite worries that the project's case against the US SEC may drag on for quite some time. In addition, Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse has strengthened his legal team with the addition of a notable attorney in light of the continuing SEC litigation. Yesterday, pro-XRP attorney James K. Filling tweeted that Rohan Murky of Cleary Gottlieb Steen and Hamilton LLP has filed an appearance on behalf of Ripple's CEO in the complaint. Notice is hereby given that defendant Bradley Garlinghouse, represented by Rohan Murky of Cleary Gottlieb Steen and Hamilton LLP, has entered an appearance in the lawsuit captioned SEC vs. Ripple. The cases that Attorney McKee is handling involve things like international organized crime, public corruption, money laundering, and cybercrime, therefore it's important to highlight his status as a notable lawyer. He is an expert in criminal, regulatory, and securities law. It's worth noting that Attorney McKee has extensive expertise trying cases before juries. Wilkie's experience in jury trials may come in helpful as the CEO of Ripple prepares for the impending trial in the SEC case, according to his profile on Cleary Gottlieb. Wilkie worked as an assistant attorney in the Southern District of New York. You may remember that the trial in the SEC use case against Garlinghouse and Ripple chairman Chris Larsen was set to begin. The parties have already submitted their blackout dates, and the hearing is scheduled to begin in the second quarter of 2024. The SEC has accused Ripple executives of recklessness for allegedly permitting blockchain firms to distribute XRP as an unregistered security, and has charged them with aiding and abetting. The XRP cryptocurrency itself was found by a federal court to not be a security. The majority of XRP sales, including those made through automated trading platforms, have been ruled by the court to not be investment contracts. Despite the verdict, Garlinghouse is planning to appeal in the second quarter of 2024. The SEC is trying to get an interlocutory appeal while Garlinghouse is getting ready for trial. The SEC has also asked for a delay of the trial and any additional proceedings until the outcome of the interlocutory appeal. The court has not yet ruled on the SEC's request to halt additional proceedings until the outcome of the interlocutory appeal. This new twist in the case comes after Garlinghouse's legal representation expanded to include 2 attorneys from the same firm a little over a month ago. Let's get to the meat of the matter, which is how many XRP it would take to turn $1 million into $1 million if XRP were to return to its $1.80 and $3. Don't miss out on being the first to know what's going on with XRP. Subscribe to our channel and enable push notifications now. The idea here is that the market participants can take advantage of the current dip. XRP can be purchased in bulk from bins at steep discounts. Many hopeful investors have since calculated the current investment needed to generate $1 million once XRP regains its prior highs. After crashing from the all-time high XRP stage to recovery campaign that saw recaptured the $1.80 price point in April 2021, XRP once again showed its ability to make significant gains as it sought to reach all-time high of $3.40 in January 2018. In the event that XRP recovers its previous highs, investors will need fewer tokens to hold a $1 million position. For example, at a price of $1.80, 555,555 XRP tokens would be worth $1 million. Curiously, at the current price of $0.5005 per XRP token, these 555,555 tokens are worth $278,055. In order to have $1 million in XRP at a future price of $278,000, an investor would need to accumulate 555 XRP at today's pricing. $1.80 in the event of a resurgence to this price, such investments would yield a 259% return. While XRP has shown substantially larger returns in the past, investors should keep in mind that the cryptocurrency's past success is no guarantee of its future success. Investors looking to pool $1 million would need to put in less money at the higher $3.40 price point. Investors holding 294,117 XRP would have $1 million in their accounts if the cryptocurrency returned to its all-time high of $3.40. At the current price of XRP, buyers of these 294K coins will need to part with $147,205. If the current price of $3.40 holds, XRP's rate of gain from late 2017 to early 2018 will be 579%, which is significantly lower. Despite these price increases, however, the future trajectory of XRP is still unknown to investors. Despite the unknowns, analysts are predicting growth. Diedrich, a chartist, has predicted that XRP will reach $1.40 in the near future. This video has reached its conclusion. Viewers who have found it entertaining should give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to sign up for alerts. See you later, bye.